Hello, my cheerful little friends. Today I'm drawing Dad together with Daddy Pig. While waiting for the drawing to finish, I'll tell you a funny story full of laughter and snorts. But before the story starts, tap the like button with your snout so Dad and Daddy Pig can smile even wider. The morning sun shines softly. The sky looks bright and clear. Bluey and Bingo wake up giggling. They rush to the living room to find Dad. "Morning, sleepyheads," says Dad cheerfully. "Guess what?" he adds. "We have a special visitor today." Bluey's eyes sparkle. "Who is it?" Bingo tilts her head. "Is it Grandma?" Dad grins proudly. "Even better. It's Daddy Pig." The girls jump in excitement. "Daddy Pig from Peppa's World?" Bluey asks. "The one who loves muddy puddles?" Bingo giggles. Just then, the doorbell rings. Ding dong. Dad opens the door with a big smile, and there stands Daddy Pig, wearing his glasses and carrying a cheerful grin. "Oink, oink." "Hello, everyone," says Daddy Pig warmly. Bluey gasps in delight. It's really him. Mum comes in with juice and snacks. "Welcome, Daddy Pig," she says. Daddy Pig chuckles. "Oh, thank you kindly." He looks at Dad and says, "You must be the famous Dad I've heard about." Dad laughs. "That's me, the jumping champion." Daddy Pig grins. "Oh, I like jumping too, especially in muddy puddles." Bluey and Bingo cheer together. "Let's play puddles." They all go outside, the sun shining on the soft grass. Dad and Daddy Pig look at each other. "Ready to jump?" Dad says. "Oink, yes," answers Daddy Pig. They both leap high into a big puddle. Splash. Mud goes everywhere. Bluey and Bingo squeal with joy. Again. "Can you jump like Dad too?" Jump and shout splash. The two dads start a friendly jumping contest, one bigger splash after another. "I'm the splashing king." Dad laughs proudly. "Oh no, I'm the puddle champion," says Daddy Pig with a giggle. Mum shakes her head. "Two big kids instead of one," she says playfully. Bluey claps and shouts. "Go Daddy Pig." Bingo cheers. "Go Dad." The splashes get bigger, and everyone laughs until they can't stop. After all that jumping, they sit under a tree to rest. Daddy Pig wipes his glasses and says, "That was wonderful exercise." Dad nods. "And very muddy too." Bluey looks at their messy shoes and giggles. "You both look like chocolate statues." Bingo adds, "Chocolate dads." Everyone bursts out laughing. Mum brings a towel and juice. Time for a cleanup, puddle pals. Daddy Pig sips his drink. Delicious. Dad leans back and smiles. "You know, Daddy Pig, you're a lot of fun." "Oink, oink," chuckles Daddy Pig. "We should do this again soon." As the sun sets, the yard glows golden and warm. Bluey cuddles against Dad's arm. Bingo leans on Mum's shoulder. Daddy Pig waves goodbye. "Thanks for the fun, my friends." Bluey shouts happily, "Come back soon for more puddles." Daddy Pig smiles and nods. "Oink, yes, I will." So remember, little jumpers, whether you splash big or small, laughter and friendship are the best puddles of all.